Hello, my name is Lawrencia, a mathematics tutor with over 11 years of experience. I teach mathematics from the elementary level up to the 11th grade. I specialize in helping learners understand mathematics in simple, clear, and step-by-step way. Is your child struggling with concepts in mathematics, or do you need support to excel in tests and exams? Then I'm here to make mathematics simple and enjoyable for you. I provide structured lessons that build confidence in learners and improve performance. My lessons are interactive, friendly, and tailored to each learner's level. I help learners with homeworks, revision, and continuous assessment preparation. I focus on strong foundation, problem-solving skills, speed and accuracy, and examination techniques. I am patient, supportive, and result-driven. I teach topics like numeracy, decimals, fraction, percentages, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, statistics, and other topics. Book me for a lesson today and let's get started. Let's make mathematics easy and enjoyable for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.